So I'm going to walk you through this code. And again, this is the game. Just very simple. I move up, down, left, and right. And there's not really any animation or any sounds or anything exciting going on there. So it's a pretty simple game. So let's talk about how this code looks and what we've got going on here. Because once we're done with walking through this code, what I want you to do is I just want you to open that code on your computer, and I want you to supply your own images to see if you can get the code up and running with your own images. So we're importing the PyGame module. We're importing random because we use that to randomize the speed and location of the missiles. And you can see here, we are actually importing a set of constants from a part of the library called pygame.locals. This is a set of variables or constants that we want to use. And if you look at them, you can kind of see some of these, what they mean. K up, K down, K left, K right, K escape. Those are keys on the keyboard. So they're locations of keys on the keyboard. This is a graphics acceleration constant. So it's part of a formula for accelerating graphics. And we have a key down event and quit. So those are our PyGame constants, and I'm importing them by name so that I can just use them by name. So they are already imported here, but just so I can call them RLXL, K up, K down, and so on by name, I'm importing them again right there. The next couple of things is I'm creating the screen width and screen height, and I'm using constants to represent those because I'm going to use those values throughout the rest of the game, but they're not going to change. So that's why all caps, because they're constants, not variables, which means that they're not going to change throughout the game.